flip him in here. Good dang. Man, what a monster. Good job, Xavier. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. One Body Fishing. Just an update on the house. We're out here at the land, and you know, we've got our concrete laid, and 84 Lumber has just brought our lumber package in. So the guys are supposed to come on Monday and start framing. Miguel, he's my framer, and man, it's a lot of lumber. But 84 Lumber, they give me a great price, and it beat a lot of competitors. So if you guys are looking for a good, fair price, you might want to check them out. But the guys have already marked the lines for the interior and exterior walls. So these guys look like they're ready to go. I believe they're going to be hammering and nailing first thing in the morning. But you guys stay tuned, and we'll keep you up to date. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome back to One Body Fishing. Thanks so much for tuning into the channel. We're off the water today, not doing any fishing, but I wanted to update you guys on the construction that's going on. This is the second day of framing with M&R Construction. You can see the guys in the background. This is just the second day and they've already got 2/3 of the bottom floor complete. Couldn't ask for much better than this. And I think of a verse in James 1:5, it talks about asking for wisdom. During this whole project, there's a lot of things that I didn't know about and a lot of areas that I had to ask a lot of people that knew more than me. And they were able to help me along the way. And on top of that, I just prayed and asked God that he would give me wisdom, and he has. So you guys be praying for wisdom if you lack it. And just check out James 1:5. He says, if any of you lack wisdom, to ask, and he's faithful and just to give it without reproach. He says he gives it liberally. Man, that's awesome. They have a Father that wants to give us so much. And all we have to do is ask. Thanks for watching One Body Fishing, and I hope this encouraged you today. Until next time.
Papi, ya cayó, ya cayó. Salud para Guatemala. Guatemala. No, salud. Miche, saludo. Cámara.
Good afternoon, huh?
That's right. Let's see.
Are you